Oh my gosh, it's like the candy of the earth. I just grabbed a handful of beets out of the garden. I'm gonna do a beet salad. I'm gonna steam them first because that's my favorite way to prepare them. I'm a big fan of the thicker medallion style. Then I cut them into wedges. I'm just cutting up an onion. Literally, I would cut it in no more than quarters. That's what you're looking for in your salad. Yum, yum, yum. And for the dressing, we're going to put a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of balsamic vinegar, yum, yum. Fresh honey, honestly, like a drop of honey is plenty. I like a little bit of mustard in there. A little bit of fresh cracked pepper, a little bit of salt, a little bit of basil. Voila. A little bit of white vinegar and a splash of lemon juice. Mix it up time. Oh, that's good. I love beets. I love salad. So beet salad is a win-win.